Guys, we're gonna do teriyaki beef jerky in my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, the bell next to it, of course, the alert bell. Make sure you hit it. You need to get alerts on all what we're doing here, all right? And what we're doing here today is we're making beef jerky, all right? The Ninja Foodi Grill, I tell you, can do it all right? I've done ribs on it, done a whole chicken on it, we've baked in it, we've done a bunch of stuff in it. No, seriously, here's the playlist. We've done a bunch of stuff in it, all right? So today we're gonna do beef jerky. Now, a couple days ago, I set up the marinade for this, just using some teriyaki sauce, a little soy sauce, and a little red pepper flake, because you know I like a little spice with it. And that's it, all right? So we got just some chuck steak. So the chuck roast that you normally would cook is been sliced up real thin. I bought it that way from the butcher, so it's as thin as I want it for the jerky. So it was real easy for me. I didn't have to sit there and grab a big old steak and cut it up and all that stuff. So you know I'm into making things easier for you guys, and this is the way I was able to make it easier this time. It was already cut up. So anyway, we got that in the marinade, and you know, I was gonna let it go overnight, but sometimes life gets in the way. You know, a lot of us YouTubers have full-time gigs. Well, I have a full-time gig. I have 5 kids, wife, house to run, you know, a whole bit. So I wasn't able to get to it the next day. So I think we're going on about 3 days with our marinade right now. So it's gonna be extra teriyaki. So it just is what it is. All right. So I'm gonna bring you over to our Ninja Foodi station here, otherwise known as our kitchen island, and we'll get started on doing this teriyaki beef jerky. Guys, I'm excited about this. I don't know if you can tell, but I love me some beef jerky. The stuff's really expensive if you've tried to buy that from the supermarket. So if we can find a way to do it in our Ninja Foodi Grill, hey, I'm in like Flynn. All right, guys. This is going to take a minute. All right. It's a real low temperature. I mean, luckily, you know, the Ninja Foodi takes the guesswork out of it by just having the dehydrate button. So I'm gonna hit that button. It'll probably be at 150, 160 in there. I'll take you over there to see. And then the cook time's gonna be set at 6 hours, but I'm gonna check it at 5. You know, I like a little pliability in my beef jerky, you know, a little tenderness. So, you know, we'll see how it goes. Come on over to our Ninja Foodi station over here, and we'll get started. All right, come on back. Okay, we're gonna get some of these pieces of beef laid on a paper towel. Get them kind of dried off. Get a little excess moisture off of these things. These are max teriyaki flavor. Luckily, it's just a good beef marinade. The setup we have over here is we have the air fryer basket. The round rack inside of the air fryer basket is actually from my Ninja Foodi pressure cooker air crisp machine. I have the 8-quart, so that came with the dehydrating racks. But as you can see, I can't, there's not enough room in there. I can't stack them all up. So that's why we're gonna do this kind of like 4 or 5 pieces at a time. So I'm just gonna lay them out. If they hang off the side a little bit, I'm okay with that. So that one's gonna be kind of hanging off the side. All right, trying to leave some room in between. Last one, kind of turn it that way. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is turn it on. So I hit the on button. We're gonna hit dehydrate, 150 degrees, hit start, and it's a 6 hour automatically going. We're gonna check it after 5. but 6 hours is what they usually recommend for these pieces of beef jerky. All right, guys, come on back in 6 hours. Okay, guys, 5 hours is up. I'm not gonna let it go for 6. I think it's done. It's got a little bit of bend, but not too bad. Let's take a look at it. Woo. Tear a little piece off. It's a little warm, not too bad. Looks like beef jerky to me. Tastes like beef jerky to me. Not bad, guys. Good stuff. Got that teriyaki. It's tough. Salty. Very good, very good. All right, good job, boys and girls. All right, come back and we'll talk about it. All right, guys. I don't know why I clapped again. That's usually an intro thing, but this was great. The jerky turned out awesome. I'm so excited we were able to do this. Guys, if you need to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, which I believe you need a Ninja Foodi Grill, hit that link below, or I'll have it pinned in my comments, okay? Get one of these bad boys. You're going to love it. I swear it, okay? Look, I am not paid for this, all right? I will disclose that they did send me the Foodi Grill 5-6 months back, but I dig it, all right? Trust me, just get yourself one. The other thing, Cooking with CJ merch, show below. Wait, hit more, see it's in the description below. Guys, it's been a long week. All right, let's see here. I don't know if I'll forget anything else, but you guys know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.